Welcome to Happy Family Online. It can be difficult to find time for the gym in the regular rush of life. But don't worry, not having a gym membership doesn't mean you have to give up on your fitness objectives. You don't have to leave the comforts of your house to work up a sweat and improve your well-being. This is a guide to quick, efficient exercises that you may perform anywhere. Body weight exercises. If you want to work out your entire body without using any equipment, this is your hidden weapon. Classic exercises like planks, lunges, squats, and push-ups should be a part of your routine. They can be tailored to different levels of fitness and include many muscle groups. Cardio with a jump rope. A jump rope is a portable, low-cost exercise equipment that works your heart out well. Skipping rope helps you burn calories and improves your coordination in addition to heart health. It's a great method to get in a brief but intense workout. Yoga and Pilates. These two forms of exercise provide low-impact, in-home, body-strengthening activities that are perfect for your living room. There are a ton of applications and internet tools that walk you through exercises appropriate for all skill levels, whether your goals are relaxation, core strength, or flexibility. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT exercises are made to burn as many calories as possible and build endurance quickly. The great thing about high-intensity interval training, HIIT, is that it can be customized to your own fitness level. For a low-impact workout, try basic movements like burpees, jumping jacks, and mountain climbers. Resistance band exercises. Resistance bands are a great tool for strength training because they are lightweight and adaptable. They target particular muscle groups by adding resistance to activities. Resistance bands work well as a convenient and efficient at-home workout tool for exercises like bicep curls, leg lifts, and lateral rises. Dancing workouts. Convert your living room into a dancing studio by playing your favorite music. Enhancing cardiovascular fitness and burning calories can be achieved through dancing. Online resources offer a variety of dancing exercise programs that accommodate varying tastes and levels of fitness. Stair climbing. Think of your home staircase as your own stair climber. Take the stairs up and down for a quick and efficient lower body workout. By including modifications like lunges or skipping steps, you can up the intensity. Functional training. Use functional workouts that mimic everyday motions. Practice one-leg balance, step up onto a sturdy chair, or squat to pick up something. Your general strength and stability for everyday activities are improved with functional training. Core exercises. Building strength in your core is essential for general health. Workouts such as leg lifts, Russian twists, and planks should be included in your regimen. In addition to enhancing posture, a strong core helps with other physical activity. Mind-body connection. Don't overlook the value of mind-body practices like Qigong and Tai Chi. These methods emphasize awareness, deep breathing, and regulated movements to enhance both mental and physical health. Tips for success. Establish a timetable. Schedule your exercise just like you would any other appointment. Remain consistent. Short, frequent workouts are more beneficial than severe, infrequent ones. Drink plenty of water. Even when working out at home, being hydrated is crucial. Pay attention to your body. If a workout doesn't feel right, adjust it or find something else to do. Warm up and let out. To avoid injury. Start with gentle cardio and end with stretching. You have the resources to continue your fitness quest from the comfort of your home with these simple and efficient workouts. These routines adjust to your schedule, whether you have 5 minutes or an hour, so being active becomes a natural part of your everyday life. Never forget that finding something you enjoy doing and being consistent are the keys to success. Move, maintain your motivation, and enjoy the advantages of at-home exercise. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.